Okay, so hi traders, and today for this video I'll be looking at DXY and just doing a general understanding of how the markets have been for the past weeks and months. So right now we are in the mid of June and also in the middle of the year, like right smack middle of the year. And usually I start with a clean, fresh chart. And right now we are on a weekly, so let's just get plotting so that we can see what's going on with the markets. So we can see that there was this general uptrend that had formed since 2011. First touch, second, almost second touch, and at around the third touch it was respected, bounced off, but continued to break it. So now we are going to go and look at where there was a break retest, a very clean break retest. Oops. Okay, so we have this. So it was a break and a retest, and now it's going down. And we're gonna drop down to the daily to see. Okay, so after it broke and went to retest it, it formed this very nice uptrend. So to understand this uptrend better, I'm going to put this trend line right here. Okay. So in terms of market structure, my general understanding is that for the uptrend to be broken, okay, so usually for trends to be broken, let's say for this, in this case, for this trend to be broken, it must have broken, and up to here would have been the trap zone. So let me just move this. This would have been the trap zone, okay, and it went down further. So this uptrend was definitely broken, and then now when we are looking at this uptrend where it first touched, second touch, so the trap zone will be here. From this point onwards, all the way up, it's our trap zone. Okay, so what the price has done, it has gone down, and 18 May, 19 May, all of these wicks show pretty strong rejection for this level, meaning that there's a good chance that actually DXY might not be pushing down further. That it will be bouncing off this level. And over here we can see there's a lot of indecision because there are long wicks that are they are long bodies actually, so indicating all the indecision in the market. However, now we can see a very clean move up from this zone. So we are going to drop down further to the 4-hour time frame, and I'm just going to use like boxes to show how this can be. Okay, so this is our low, and this is our high. Okay, and then this is our next low, which is a higher low, and then we have a higher high, and then we have a higher low, another one right here. So basically there has been a very nice movement to the upside. However, last week, oops, let me just redo this. However, last week the price let me just make this brown. The price didn't manage to break this high. Okay, and in trends, usually from something I follow or try to take as a confirmation, is when in an uptrend or a downtrend, when the price forms a double top or a double bottom, it is showing indications of exhaustion or that the price might not break out of this zone, not yet at least. So if you're going to drop down to a further lower time frame, we can see that in this zone the price has literally only wicks. Okay, only wicks. We are looking at this 1 hour time frame. Okay, and if we drop down to a bit smaller, okay, wow, nice. So green, 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 rejected, a nice bearish candle, long body, long body, long body. So what we can see here is definitely a good rejection of the zone, and therefore for my coming week, or maybe 2 weeks, or maybe like the month of June, remaining 2 weeks of June, my bias for DXY will be for it to go down, and perhaps the first level that I can just see right off my eye would be here, that it will at least come down to this level. And of course there's honestly potential for it to go even, if we look at all our lows here, so it can go down further to maybe like this level that we could see just from, yeah, here. Price could go down there, price could go down here, and of course we have to see how the markets are going to be. But I would be anticipating these moves. Of course, let's say if DXY breaks out of this zone, I will be looking for something like a break, retest, and then the move forward. Yeah, so this is my general understanding for DXY, and I hope you guys find this helpful. Thank you.